Good morning, everybody. So, as usual, let's remember our Guru Bandhana. Ready? Everybody, join your hands and start. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Shuklam Brahma Vichar Parama, Adyam Jagat Vyapinim, Veena Pustakadharinim Abhayadam, Jadhyandhakarapaham, Haste Sphatika Malika Vidadati, Padmasane Samstitam, Vande Tam Parameswarim Bhagavatim, Buddhi Pradam Saradam, Na Chaurya Haryam, Na Charajaharyam, Na Bhatri Bhadyam, Na Chabharakari, Vyaye Krite Vardhataye Vanityam, Vyadhanam Sarvadhanam Pradhanam, Vidyadhanam Sarvadhanam Pradhanam. Okay, namaskar everybody. So, what a lovely day today. Today is 10th of Phalgun, right? Now you have got hardly 1 month and 10 days left to uplift in another class, right? And you will be the senior most class. I think by 20th of Chaitra your final exam also will be over. Then after a few days result, then upgrade. So time and tide wait for none. So whenever we do the work on time, then we can achieve the goal easily. I had given you some tasks to do. Here are some tasks done by the students. That was what to say, exercise wala, right? Oh, many are here. Okay. So our system is to start from the oldest one. Oldest means who submitted first, that is the oldest one. Who submitted latest, that is the youngest one. So let's see the date. Okay, Eric Bikram Khadka, is this your present work? No. Riti Khanal, Prayas Tamang, Winterbag Ishan Rai, Avisha Dewadi, Basnet Anis, from Karuna Basnet, February 20. Is that one? Yeah? Okay, Karuna Basnet. But Karuna, where is your email? You must have your own email. You make your own Facebook ID, Instagram ID, TikTok ID, no email ID. Which is essential, you have to do that work, right? So, Basnet Anis has done here. I think from that is done. Okay, Anupam Vidya Sadan, submitted by Karuna Basnet, Ishwar Neupani Sir, science teacher. Okay, so I think it's better to download once. And after downloading, it looks nice, right? So this is the time to discuss, and this is purely an answer sheet, question with answer sheet, right? Yes or no? So here this what to say, yes, now looks nice. Welcome. Yes, you are welcome, I am welcome. Then give a big round of applause, everybody. So this is made by Karuna. Karuna, will you come here once? Karuna, come. So other people also must know who has prepared this one, right? Okay. So she is Karuna Basnet, grade 9 student, Anupam Vidya Sadan. And what is your roll number? Roll number 20, and you got 26? Or means what was your project work? What to do? Questions are from any chapter or set? Which chapter? Chapter 18. Okay, what is the name of chapter? Carbon in its compounds. Her chapter was project work chapter was carbon in its compounds. Up to 19 roll number they have got set questions, right? At 18 only. Oh, then from 19 they got a chapter wala, right? Okay, so please you go there. Welcome. Karuna Basnet, roll number 20, done here. MCQ. So let's check here. What is the study of carbon and its compounds called? Organic chemistry, is it right? Organic chemistry deals with carbon and its compounds. Question number 2, you read and I will discuss answer. Read your question. Properties true about organic compounds. They are generally covalent compounds. Covalent means they make the bond by sharing the electrons. Is it right or wrong? Covalent compounds, right? They are. This is right. Question number 3. Which one follows the property of catenation? Catenation means forming a long chain. I think already answer is there, right? What is the answer? Answer is carbon. Question number 4. Density of graphite 2.26 gram per cm cube. Density will be in, should be always in gram cm cube. Number 5. Which element is present in all organic compounds? I think answer is carbon. Number 6. What is that? 4. You can form 4 covalent bonds. Okay, so that is over. And children, they are making their project work in PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Once there was time to make Canva, very hopeless idea. Type one question, that chapter name and I prepares everything, but that is wrong. Chapter based presentation must be done. Okay, now short answer type questions. Read question number A. What is sound? What is carbon? Okay, what is the answer? I think if you write this one is okay. Unique metal, non-metal, right? And present in all organic compounds. Question number B. What is the question? Name some source of organic compounds. We can get organic compounds from plant and animals. This is called typing mistake. This is not printing mistake. What is this? While typing, instead of writing plant, we can planet. Okay, number C. What is the question? Valency and valence electron of carbon. What is the valency? Valency is 4. Valence electron is 4. Yes or no? There are 4 electrons in the outermost orbit. So it shares 4 electrons to be octet. Stable. Question number D. What is caramel? What is the answer? Sugar is heated. It changes into yellow color, which is called caramel. When sugar is heated, slowly its color changes into yellow. That is called caramel. And the outermost part of tooth is called enamel. Okay, it is very hard. Next question. Oh my God, so big letters are you, right? What is the question? What is the another name of graphite? Yeah, the another name of graphite is black lead. And she has drawn here graphite structure also. See, graphite structure, hexagonal. And what do you think? Is graphite good conductor of heat and electricity or bad conductor? Not heat, it is good conductor of electricity because of one free electron. Okay. My always suggestion to you is to understand and write down. Don't copy from others. If it is unclear, read the book. It's everything in the book. But we are very lazy. What do we want to do? We want to check in the ChatGPT. Type the question, immediately answer comes, copy and submit. That is formality only. That does not help you. If you want to copy also, okay, first read and write in your own way. What is written, you set in mind as well, right? Now next question. What is the question?
What are the allotropes?
Allotropes of carbon. The allotropes of carbon are diamond, coal, graphite, right? Lamp black, etc. Number G. What is organic compound?
Compound which contain carbon.
The compounds which contain carbon. Oh, here we should know. Which contain the compound which contains carbon is called organic compound. Very easy. But carbon and hydrogen, if you write, that is better. Carbon dioxide contains carbon, but is not carbon, means organic compound. Okay. Question number H. What is the question? Hello, question number H. What is the full form of IPG? Not LPG. LPG. What is that? Liquefied. LIQUIFIED. Liquefied petroleum gas. She wanted to write liquefied, but it become liquefy petronol. Right? Liquefied petroleum gas. Differentiate between now. What is the first question? Between diamond and graphite. Okay, boys, read diamond side, girls will read graphite side, okay? Transparent. Graphite?
It is black and opaque.
Opaque. Good. Boys? Right. Girls?
It is soft and slippery to touch.
Soft and slippery to touch. Okay? Girls are few, that's why their sound also a bit less, right? And again, one girl is absent today. Yes or no? Next one is organic compound and inorganic compound. Girls, organic compound, boys, inorganic compound. Girls, organic compounds bond easily, right? They bond easily. And boys, do not bond easily. No bonding. Water doesn't bond. Limestone doesn't bond. Petrol bonds. So petrol is, what is petrol? That organic compound. Bonding thing means wood is organic compounds. Stone is inorganic compound. Number second, they are covalent compounds. They are electrovalent. Covalent compound means they are found by sharing of electrons. Here, transfer of electrons. If here is NaNH, Na gives one to this one, then it becomes Na plus and this becomes H minus. Here is presence of radical, but here is no presence of radical. Define. Okay, what is the definition of catenation? Come on. Yep. Actually, that is only the property of carbon, not other elements, in which one carbon atom links or makes a chain with another carbon and forms a long molecule. Inorganic compound. How do you define? Defined as the compounds derived from minerals or which do not contain carbon and hydrogen. Organic compound. Organic compound is defined as the compound which contains carbon and hydrogen. Okay, carbon and hydrogen. What is caramel? When sugar is heated, it turns into it turns into yellow color, which is called tetravalency. How do you define tetravalency? Property of carbon atom to combine with another atom of another element. And next one is carbon with tetravalency means its valency is how much? Valency is 4. It can form how many covalent bonds? 4 covalent bonds. What we have to remember? Mono means 1. Bi 2. Tri 3. Tetra means valency is 4. That's why it is called tetravalency. Give reason. Carbon forms covalent compound. Why?
Because it has valency electrons.
Sending electrons to complete its octet. But one thing you have to remember, you should not write the answer with because. The whole sentence must be copied and then write down. Okay. Next question. Graphite is used as lubricant. Graphite is used as lubricant because their slide, not side, slide. Okay, SLID. किधर गई? Where is it? Because the layers SLIDE slide easily over one another. That's why it reduces the friction. What is next question? Melting point and boiling point of organic compounds are low. Melting point and boiling point of organic compounds are low because they are mainly covalent compound with weak intermolecular force. Intermolecular force is weak. Intermolecular force, what does it mean? Intermolecular force means, so suppose here is one molecule of methane CH4, another methane CH4. Their force is, what is the force? What type of force do they have? Weak. So they can be broken easily. So they can change into their liquid state, gas state faster. Next question. Read the question here. What is the question? Hello, what happened? Read now. Diamond is the hardest substance known. What is the answer? Diamond is the hardest substance known because each carbon atom is strongly bonded to 4 others in rigid 3D structure. 3-dimensional structure. 3-dimensional means length, breadth, height. Length, breadth, height. There is a length, breadth, height. 3D. Now 4D also they say. So those were the works provided to Miss Karuna, and Karuna has completed the end, thank you, the end, and I be preview. What is this one? A. Now cat also started using, what is this? Yeah, there might be a robot. Robot cat, right? Robot cat also it's possible to make. Okay, give a big round of applause to Karuna once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Okay. So that is the end of today's presentation. So every day we will do one. Be systematic and up to date to do work. What was discussed right now, that is your class work. Is that clear? Start doing now. Thank you.